Hi, how are you? I hope you're all doing fine today. Let's draw a dog here. So for this one, we're going to draw an elliptical shape on the top. Then you can see like a collarbone we're going to draw here. And like the letter A of English alphabet, we're going to draw a straight line. And this is going to be in the middle, so you can see easily it's like a. Okay, so from the top we're going to modify. This is going to be the head, and here we're just giving it a shape of the dog. Okay, and this is going to be like this one. Okay. Now let's erase some unnecessary parts. Okay, so this is the front part of the face actually, and the tongue is somehow a little bit bigger. Okay, this is the face. All right, and we still modifying, so you can see the ear coming up from the top. And the head portion, just we're making some modification here. Okay, all right, here you can see the eye, some part is darker. All right. From the collarbone we're going to see a belt here, and this portion is going to be like the body, so doing a straight line. Okay, then erasing some parts. Okay, and here we're just drawing another part. Okay, and from here we're going to give it a shape. Okay, and here this is coming up, and the bottom portion of the leg is going to be like this. Okay, here you can see, and a paw of the front side. Okay, so bigger paw, 1 2 3, and 4. Okay, so this part, it's going to be the chest or the front side of the dog. Okay, here let's draw a line. Okay, and here it's like a sitting positions, and you can see the rear leg going to have a bigger paw here. Okay, and connecting from this portion. Okay, here just we are drawing a curve. Maybe we are going to draw it a little bit closer, so each time if we make some mistakes we are going to adjust it. Okay, a little bit closer. Then we are going to draw another paw, and the paw is coming up here. Okay, so a little bit bigger the bottom portion. So these four, if you like, you can put the extensions, or if you don't want, then it's not necessary. And there are some decorations here. Okay, another decorations. So easily you can see the dog has a nice body shape. So maybe we are going to put it a little bit higher, then you can see the shape of the dog. So this is the basic shape. Now if you like to add some shade and shadow, then you can put the smaller pencil, put it like the inclined, then start from the sides, actually from the border sides, so that gives it a 3D outlook. So if you come to the midpoint, then it becomes lighter, but to the border portion make it a darker. Okay, so we are making it darker here. Okay, for the ears we are putting nice shades. Collars. Okay, so the bottom portion we're making it darker, and the sides. Okay, also here you can see the bottom portions. And for the body part, let's put some shadow for the rear legs. Okay, here this is also rear leg, part of the rear legs. Okay, and the other portions, then putting the shadow like this. Okay, the paws getting shades too. Okay, all right, so both of them just putting shades to the bottom portions of the dog and alongside to the belly. Okay, here just putting some colors to the left side of the hands, shadow also here to the left sides of the hands. Okay, for the paw. Awesome. So this is the drawing. To make the color more smooth, after drawing you can use the fingertips around the borders or around the shadow, and just you can move it like a brush so that the effects of the sketching becomes more smooth and looks more realistic. So this is it. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. See you in our next videos. Have a good day.